Fuck, I keep asking. Now you're changing the die because you're using the same bar as your roll cage.
But it's leftovers.
Well, I'm just saying it's the exact same bar as the roll cage. He's got to move the nugs or whatever they're called.
Yeah, because it's too close to it.
Here he goes, guys. Ooh, I can see it's getting strong. Pump.
It's actually pretty easy.
You're bending it right through the middle? Yeah. Do it the whole thing.
Like a 90-degree turn?
Yeah. Like a 90-degree turn.
Well, you can only do so much and then you gotta shorten it.
Got you. You should probably use your other arm now because you pumped it with one arm. So, you know, keep your arms even. You don't want more muscle in the one arm. Use your other arm now. Oh. Oh, I like it. Oh, that looks nice. Nice. Looks like, those things you throw and they come back at you.
Oh.
A frisbee, a slingshot, or whatever they're called. Yeah, those thingies. And they come back. Whatever the fuck they're called. It's a nice one. Nice bend. That's it? Thought we were doing 90-degree. Lazy. What's that thing you keep touching over there?
They compress it or whatever.
Oh. What if you don't touch it? What happens?
Well, that's what keeps it, you know, to make it come back.
Got you.
After you bend it.
You can't turn it back yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Like, you have to do that to go back? You can't, like, move it yourself back? Do you think it's worth every cent? What? You do? Rick?
Oh yeah, it's a good one.
Okay, just making sure. Oh, look at that bend, guys. Looks amazing. I like it. All done? Oh, it pushes it down. Oh, I get it. I get it. Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck.
Well, it keeps it from breaking.
Yeah. Watch my floor, Bill. It's stuck on the die, guys.
Oh, it's not gonna make it break.
Oh, fuck Rick, man. There we go. Looks good.
Kinda like fuck. Bent it a little too much.
I like it. What, did you need it for something?
Well, I gotta figure out all the degrees, like how much you bend at a certain point. You know?
But did
Like
you
all these things.
but did you need that bar for something? That bar. No, it's just an extra, right?
Yeah, just.
Oh, okay. Alright, perfect. Just
I
making
just
sure.
gotta try out where, because certain bends you gotta use certain things.
So are the smaller ones for smaller piping?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it's for like little pipes,
Baby piping?
big pipes. A little one.
Oh. Your phone's going off.